Did you know this humble root is a powerhouse of nutrients? Meet beetroot, nature's superfood. This vibrant vegetable is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. From its deep red hue to its earthy flavor, beetroot has been cherished for centuries for its medicinal properties and culinary versatility. Today, I'm diving into its amazing health benefits and simple ways to include it in your meals. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a health-conscious eater, or someone looking to add a splash of color to your plate, beetroot has something to offer for everyone. Why should you eat beetroot? Let's explore the myriad reasons. First off, it boosts heart health. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body. This compound helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. It's a natural way to support cardiovascular health. Rich in nitrates, it helps lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of beetroot can lead to significant improvements in blood pressure levels, making it a heart-friendly food. Next, it improves athletic performance by increasing stamina and oxygen flow. Athletes often consume beetroot juice to enhance their endurance and performance. The nitrates in beetroot improve the efficiency of mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, thereby boosting energy levels. Beetroot is packed with antioxidants, especially betalains. These powerful compounds help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It supports digestion too, thanks to its high dietary fiber content. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also supports gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria in the gut. And let's not forget, it enhances skin glow with its load of vitamin C. This essential vitamin helps in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. The antioxidants in beetroot also help in detoxifying the skin, giving you a natural glow. Incorporating beetroot into your meals is easier than you think. Its versatility allows it to be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to smoothies and snacks. For a refreshing drink, blend beetroot with orange, ginger and yogurt for a smoothie. This combination not only tastes delicious, but also provides a burst of nutrients to kickstart your day. Want a crunchy salad? Grate raw beetroot mixed with carrots, lime juice and olive oil. This simple yet flavorful salad is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a perfect side dish or a light meal. How about a creamy soup? Beetroot soup is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly nutritious. Roast beetroot and blend it with coconut milk. This creates a rich, velvety texture that's perfect for a cozy meal. Craving some healthy chips? Slice thin, bake with olive oil and salt. These beetroot chips are a crunchy, guilt-free snack that you can enjoy anytime. And for a detoxifying juice, combine beetroot with apple and lemon. This refreshing drink is perfect for cleansing your system and boosting your energy levels. Pro tip: cooking beetroot reduces its nutrient content slightly, so enjoy it raw or lightly steamed whenever possible. This way you can maximize its health benefits and enjoy its natural flavor. From boosting your energy to brightening your skin, beetroot truly deserves a spot on your plate. Its numerous health benefits make it a must-have in your diet. Give these recipes a try and let me know your favorite. Experiment with different combinations and discover the versatility of beetroot in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Food and Function for more superfood secrets. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy recipes that will transform your meals and boost your wellness.